lay into what you're saying, y'all. Show me what the now, tell me what they're doing. When I be on the mic, I do my duty. While I'm in the club, I be while in the studio. Girl, I wanna violate, nigga, round to get truly. Hey, dog, nigga, that Julio. Type of nigga that'll slap it with Julio. Bitch, nigga, skin to death. Look at shorty, she feels like bikini. On the way she shake it, make me wanna get all in the booty. Stop me, such a begging bitches. While I'm with my freak like we out. Hit you with the shit, make you feel it all in your soul. Hot shit got on my niggas. Got on my metaphors when I fall, I let my flow. Hey, now you're running by the pump, baby. Pull up. Welcome home, Vybz Kartel.
Yes, my father. General.
We're not going to play with no. We're not even going to win. Give me another classic. Oh. Let's go. Ladies!
We're going to do this for the ladies.
Ladies! Split talk to the woman and walk through.
All the beautiful ladies, make some noise. This song right here is dedicated to you and only to you, baby. Sure. Yeah. 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 Yo, I'm let me hear you say ow. All the ladies say ow. Little mama say ow, 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 ow. Sing the song to us.
Baby, if you give it to me.
Baby, if you give it to me. Hey, yo, everybody sing.
Baby, if you give it to me.
Come on.
I'll give it to you.
I know what you want. Baby, if you give it to me.
Sing that shit loud as a motherfucker.
Listen, we've been together for a few years. Shed a few tears, going each other's things.
I shook up on that boo, girl.
I'm always on the road, hardly ever home. I'm always busy this, busy that.
Hands on the floor.
I know you're aggravated, walk around.
Frustrated.
Patience getting short, how longer can you
tolerate it?
But listen, I'm just motivated. I do this for my stuff with the grind, trying to elevate it now.
So to really be honest, you stuck with me.
Through my whole struggle.
Can't even express the
How
words.
much a kid love you, huh?
Understand as a man.
Never up off you.
I could tell nothing different from most.
Set the approach in the real shit up. We gon' sex every day.
When we touch, we tease
In a passionate way.
Love the way we touching those little
Elaborate way.
Watch the God's feeling release to the light.
Shit, it's on you,
Baby,
man.
if you give it to me.
Yeah. Baby, if you give it to me. Hey, yo, everybody sing.
Baby, if you give it to me.
Yeah, baby, if you give it to me. What? Mommy, listen, huh?
I see your love for me, baby, and how it
Moves to ya.
I've been longing for the moment to talk the truth.
To ya.
I'm never home, I always
Get up and go.
looking you to think it's necessary.
Bring 'em a roll.
I never meant to put 1,000 pounds of stress in your head. I let a baby sleeping, how we always cuddling.
Baby.
I stay embracing your patience, shedding your tears.
With me.
I ask you, my mommy, please continue to bear with me.
Started out broke, constantly on the road.
Waking up to the streets like we were
We'll never get old.
Lucy, buses,
Busta,
50 cent soda, Novas,
Hey,
Hondas,
yes.
Lexus,
Rovers.
Mad years now still.
Got each other's back.
Work hard, never screw none of these.
Industry cash girl.
We like skull and bones, walking shoulder to
Shoulder.
milking the stream, hoping I see.
Sing the song to him.
Baby, if you give it to me.
Baby, if you give it to me. Sure, everybody sing.
Baby, if you give it to me.
Baby, if you give it to me. Hey, yo, Busta.
What else, man?
Show them how to sing, boy.
Yes, you know I die for
Show
you.
them how to sing.
And you know I ride with
Show them how
you.
to sing.
I will always try with you. And give you my love and cry with
Everybody
you.
sing.
I will climb up until our love will touch the sky. Baby, come and get real close to me. Cause this is where my love is supposed to be. fucking with Busta Rhymes since day one. "34 years now, you know, from 1990. No, 35 years now, 25.
35. So
I feel like going back to, let's go back to 1992.
all right. You remember this record right here? Scratch, come on. Hey, man. Hey, where? Yo, at the count of 3, everybody jump. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what,
Scenario.
Here we go,
Yo, here we go, yo.
so what,
Scenario.
As I combine for the juice,
From the mind, nigga.
we love,
Bring it back on the wide, nigga.
powerful impact.
Boom.
Hey, tell me, mama.
It's a legend now. Very necessary.
Wait, take it inside.
My life, very nigga.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Feeling like you feel like the one.
It's the jar singing. All over the track. As I come back. Can I hear some noise? Check this out. That was back then. That was back then energy. This is now energy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Say what?
Look at me now.
Say what?
Look at me now.
Say what?
Look at me now.
Say what? I heard Jamaican stay.
I'm done.
Busta Rhymes, you can talk to all the Jamaican people right now in the building. If you like this, everybody put it in a camera phone. Light it up in here. I want you to record this shit. Light it up. Light it up. Light it up.
Freedom Street we reach. This feels like the most appropriate moment. There's no other moment deemed more official than this moment, other than for me to do one thing. And I believe that one thing is, let me just show you motherfuckers how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! I gotta get away. You know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta wait every day. You really wanna pop me? Don't bet you will never fly me. But a nigga because you be cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in and I gotta set it, then I gotta go and I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and I gotta show it. If it's a thing, and you get it, no matter everything and everything about it. Like, niggas give it to a couple niggas, gotta always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. I mean, you wanna do never know I'm moving a little fella, nigga better call around. Everybody know my style, nigga know that I'm bad. So they're gonna do it, and I'm
Bring it on the chest.
bang in the east, banging in the west. Gonna give you more, never give you less. You read in the sheet and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. You know we yell and we yell up in the race. You know we gotta go to try to keep it with the pace. We're stronger than a hustle and I said it and I get it. You know we gotta do it to get to another place.
Taste it.
And I gotta just to be at the top of the door. And I know I gotta.
Freedom Street, you know we do it, you know. Grace, big up yourself again, you know. You know not change. Chris Diamond, you're real youth. Chris Diamond, forward youth. Ricky Platinum, big up your damn self. Vaga, big up for your roots, you know the thing going, not change, you know. Big up in our stadium. Grandstand, bleachers, everywhere. Chris Diamond, let me tell you something. Butler. A real youth and me tree, big him up, not change Atlanta, schoolboy, the whole of them, car wash, the whole works, show, the whole works, you know it go. You're a great youth, you know, when selector bad,